So go ahead and add a product. And it's really as simple as this. So you can go ahead and choose your product. You can always add more products later on, but as you can see, there's lots of different products. Even within t-shirts, there's lots of different types of t-shirts and quality of t-shirts. Some are more expensive, some are less expensive. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose this t-shirt here. And then here we can see there's two options. So one, you can design using text and stuff within Printful. The better way is really to drop a design here onto your t-shirt that is already designed. You have two different options. One is embroidery, which looks like it's going to be available here just on the top left, or printing. This is really the more traditional t-shirt printing that you're expecting. So I would typically stick with printing, DTG. Now colors, this is cool because you can select as many colors and sizes as you want for your t-shirts. And when you upload your design, it's going to sync to your Shopify store, and it's going to automatically include all of the different variants for customers to choose. So one thing to keep in mind is if your design is black, it can't be on a black background or you're just not going to see it. So you just want to make sure the colors that you choose are going to fit with your design. So let me go ahead and drop a design here into the t-shirt. So go ahead and click that, and now we're going to upload a design. All right, so I uploaded the No Code MBA logo. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the file and click choose. And now, awesome. So it's going to automatically put the file. So here it's saying it recommends a larger image. For these purposes, I'm just going to leave it. But if I were really going ahead and creating this as something I wanted to sell, I would, actually upload a larger image so that the quality is better. So here, I'm just going to edit this a little bit. Let's make it a little bit smaller. I think that's something else that you can see is as I made it smaller, the print quality is now good. So here, that's what you want to look for to make sure that the image isn't too big or too small. So it was saying it was too small because the image size was larger. So here we go. So that's another thing that you can edit. So I'm going to put that there. You can rotate it if you want. You can do all sorts of different things to align it. This is great for automatic aligning. All right, so here you can also, if you wanted, you could add a design on the back. You can add a design on the outside label, on the sleeve, on the right sleeve. So this is just really cool ways to customize your shirts even more if you want to. So let's go ahead and proceed to media. Media is the mock-ups that are published to your store. So here, it's very cool. You can have different, choose different mock-ups to include. They have a lot of different ones to choose from that you can go through, which is very cool. If you have this one and then you wanted to add an additional one, you can go ahead and do that. And now if we go down, the mock-up format by default JPG, which is a smaller format, so the store is going to load faster. And great. So then I'm just going to skip the product video, which is a new feature they have, which is pretty cool. Which is actually they have a kind of a preview video where it looks like someone is wearing your shirt, or it looks like Printful is printing your shirt. But I'm going to skip that for now and proceed to details. So here, this is where you can edit the title and stuff like that. I'm going to call this No Code MBA t-shirt. You can edit the description. The size guide by default I'm going to include, which is, then I'm going to do that in Imperial. Tags, you can include tags for keywords if people are searching on your store. And we're going to publish it. And then under product collections, I'm going to go ahead and add this to our, actually let me just leave that blank for now. Or I think we do need to add that to the homepage collection, which is a default collection on Shopify. So they want you to add it to one or more collections. If you had other collections, you could choose to add it to more collections. And you can always add it to more collections later as well. And I'm not going to make shipping free, so let's proceed to pricing. And here, these are just the kind of it gives you a suggestion for retail price based on the Printful price. So you can see if someone buys a small shirt, we are going to pay Printful $14.50. Here, this would be the retail price, $20.50. So we would make $6 for every t-shirt that we sold at these prices. Let's say we wanted to make it a little more expensive, $22. You can see how your profit increases a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and reset pricing. Let's leave it here at the default. Let's go ahead and submit to the store. So it's loading, it's submitting it to the store.